Welcome to our in-depth review of the all-new Meta Quest 3, the most powerful virtual reality headset to date. With its 512GB storage option, this isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete game-changer in the world of VR and mixed reality. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know, from unboxing to setup, gameplay experience, and all the new features that set this headset apart from its predecessors. Let's start with what's inside the box. The Meta Quest 3 comes with a redesigned form factor that's lighter and more comfortable than ever. The box includes the headset, the newly designed Touch Plus controllers, a USB-C cable, and an adapter. First impressions? The headset feels premium. Meta has clearly paid attention to detail. It's slimmer, more ergonomic, and the build quality feels solid. Setting up the Quest 3 is straightforward. Once powered on, the device guides you through the pairing process with the Meta app on your phone. Within minutes, you're ready to dive into your virtual world. The user interface is smooth and intuitive, with enhanced visuals thanks to the higher resolution displays and faster refresh rate. Powered by the latest Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chip, the Quest 3 is nearly twice as powerful as its predecessor, delivering incredibly smooth gameplay experiences. With 4K plus resolution, the visuals are sharper and more immersive than ever before. Colors pop, and details are crisp, whether you're exploring a VR world or diving into mixed reality. One of the standout features of the Meta Quest 3 is its full-color pass-through mixed reality. This means you can seamlessly blend your physical surroundings with your virtual experience. Imagine playing games where your living room transforms into an alien battleground or designing 3D objects right on your coffee table. Let's talk games. With its enhanced graphics and processing power, the Quest 3 truly shines when it comes to VR gaming. Titles like Resident Evil 4 VR have never looked better. The headset's improved tracking and Touch Plus controllers add a new level of precision, making games more immersive and responsive. Beyond gaming, the Quest 3 excels in productivity and fitness. Apps like Workrooms let you host virtual meetings in stunning clarity, while fitness apps such as Supernatural provide intense workouts. The added power and clarity mean better responsiveness and less eye strain, making it perfect for longer sessions, whether you're working or working out. With great power comes more efficient battery life. The Quest 3 boasts around 2.5 to 3 hours of playtime on a full charge, thanks to optimizations in its hardware. Comfort has also been enhanced with better weight distribution, improved face padding, and adjustable straps. So, is the Meta Quest 3 worth it? If you're serious about VR or looking to get into mixed reality, this headset is a must-have. Its combination of power, versatility, and immersive experiences makes it the ultimate VR device on the market right now. Whether you're a gamer, a fitness enthusiast, or just curious about the future of technology, the Meta Quest 3 has something for everyone.